Hassan! Wow! Your clothes look so beautiful! Thank you, Zaid. They are brand new. I really like them. They look so clean and special.
My parents gave them to me today.
I feel like I should say something more.
Zaid, when you see someone wearing new clothes, we make dua for them.
Oh yes! Please teach me again. Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala. That sounds beautiful. It means, may Allah replace it when it is worn out. Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan. Ameen. It means, put on new clothes and live a praiseworthy life. Shaheedan. Ameen. Thank you, Zaid. It means, and die as a martyr.
This dua is very special. It is not just about clothes.
What else does it mean?
It reminds us to live a good life and always remember Allah.
When we see someone with new clothes, we should remember Allah and make dua for them. Wow, Uncle Kareem looks so nice today. Uncle Kareem, your clothes are beautiful.
Thank you, Ayan. Do you know what we say when someone wears new clothes?
I don't know. Can you teach me?
We say, Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala.
Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala.
It means, may Allah replace it when it is worn out.
So we are making dua for them.
Yes, we always remember Allah in everything. Now say, Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan.
Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan.
It means put on new clothes and live a praiseworthy life.
That is beautiful.
Islam teaches us good manners in every moment. And finally, shaheedan.
Shaheedan.
Perfect. I am so proud of you.
Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala. Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan shaheedan.
MashaAllah. Very good.
Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala. Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan shaheedan. Uncle Kareem, I will always remember this dua.
Good, Ayan. A believer remembers Allah in every moment.
Mommy, my friend just got new clothes.
That's wonderful, Yusuf.
Can I tell him I like his clothes?
Yes, but we can say something even better.
Look at my new clothes. Wow, they look amazing. Yusuf, let me teach you a...
May teach you a beautiful dua. Say this. Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala.
Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala.
It means, may Allah replace it when it is worn out.
May Allah replace it when it is worn out.
Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan.
What does that mean?
Put on new clothes and live a praiseworthy life. Shaheedan. And die as a martyr.
Tublee wa yukhliful-laahu ta'ala. Ilbas jadeedan wa hameedan shaheedan. Mommy, that dua made him really happy.
Yes, because it reminds us of Allah.
I want to always remember Allah.
That is the most beautiful thing you can do.
Subscribe for more videos!